Do you need to come up with original content idea that will dominate search result? You are coming to the right place because today I will review a great software. This software is called ContextMinds. This software can help you keyword idea and planning your content for your business. Hey everyone, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will review best digital tools that will be help your business. Before watching our video, let's see guys what I will show you today. At first, I will show you what is ContextMinds. Then I will explain ContextMinds founders, ContextMinds features, how to use ContextMinds, ContextMinds pros and cons, ContextMinds pricing. Is ContextMinds perfect for your business? So guys, let's dive in. So what is ContextMinds? ContextMinds is a AI keyword generate tool. ContextMinds help you visually organize your content idea and AI generate keyword suggestion. With ContextMinds, you can use a virtual whiteboard to organize your content idea into mind maps, outline and board. ContextMinds is a AI free tool. You can easily research your keyword and content planning with this software. ContextMinds founders. ContextMinds software is created Marik. ContextMinds features. Guys, when you can use ContextMinds, you can easily automatically get AI generate topic and keyword in real time, along with stats on search volume and keyword difficulty. When you can choose your keyword, they can provide this keyword search volume and keyword difficulty. You will be able to drag and drop any of these suggestions anywhere on the whiteboard and group them as needed because they will provide drag and drop features. That's where you will discover keyword metrics, sharp result related academic papers and even short AI generated paragraph because they provide keyword search result related keyword notes metrics. This AI generated paragraph. ContextMinds also provide resources, video and other mind maps to feed notes so you never lose track of your research. You can share your mind maps with clients or teammates. You can just export your map as a PDF, PNG, SVG or text document and let your team access it anywhere, anytime. You will also be able to share a link that anyone can open, even without creating a ContextMinds account. Guys, you don't need a ContextMinds account who is open your file. All they need is a free account to copy and edit the mind map. This AI tool you can easily find topic and keyword from previous maps and immediately access all the pin notes and resources. This related keyword and topic suggestions are always available to your entire team as well as with your own workspace. They can provide keyword, subtopic and keyword notes. You can easily save your content planning idea. You can easily generate your SEO optimized content idea in minutes and keep everything organized in one place. They can provide lifetime access, unlimited usage subject to ContextMinds. They can provide unlimited private maps, AI idea generation, generate relevant and related keyword. How to use ContextMinds? When you log in your ContextMinds dashboard, then you can find this page. At first, you can click this plus button. Then you can choose your keyword. I can choose a keyword like digital marketing. So you can click right side script topic. If you want, you can click your headline, related keyword, trending question, also community, and you can edit this button. Now you can see your keyword digital marketing. They can also provide many sub keyword topic like what is digital marketing. When you click this topic, then they can provide your search volume, ranking difficulty, monthly click and organized click, and where they find the source. And they can also provide some note what is digital marketing. You can easily link to this button. If you want, you can choose another subtopic. You can click this load more button and guys, you can find there are many subtopics: email marketing, digital marketing agency, digital marketing near me, digital jobs. If you want, you can all this keyword you can edit your dashboard. Then I will click this keyword in the dashboard. If you want, you can easily connect to this keyword topic. You can easily planning your content with this software, guys. So guys, I hope now you can understand how to use this software. Guys, if you want to learn more, you can easily watching this full video how to use this software. When you find this page, click this link. You can easily find this video. ContextMinds pros and cons. ContextMinds pros. It's very handy to use. You can easily use this software. They can also provide a free account. Anyone use this software without sign up. Beautiful UI. Save a lot of time. When you can use this software, you can easily find your keyword, subtopic, add notes, and you can easily planning your content. This software feature is awesome. It's an alternative to Phrase, Miro, and WriterGen. 60-day money back guarantee. This software provides 60-day money back guarantee. If you don't like this software, you can easily refund your money. They can also provide live chat with 24-hour support. ContextMinds cons. Keyword search volume and keyword difficulty are not accurate compared to SEMrush. Guys, we know SEMrush is a great software, but this software provides keyword search volume and difficulty. But this keyword search volume and keyword difficulty is not accurate like SEMrush software. This is the pros and cons of ContextMinds software. ContextMinds pricing. Provide 3 pricing options. Single, double, multiple. When you can choose single option, for $69 one-time purchase. All features above included. 6,000 topic and keyword lookup per month. 1,500 web and AI writing session per month. 1,500 AI generated paragraph topic per month. 1 internal user. And when you can choose double option, you can pay $138 one-time purchase. All features above included. 12,000 topic and keyword lookup per month. 5,000 web and AI radical session per month. 5,000 AI generated paragraph topic per month. 3 internal user. When you can choose multiple option, you can pay $207 one-time purchase. 20,000 topic and keyword lookup per month. 10,000 web and AI article session per month. 10,000 AI generated paragraph topic per month. 6 internal user. Is ContextMinds perfect for your business? Guys, we know content is the king. If you are a blogger, content creator, marketer, affiliate marketer, entrepreneur, whatever you are, content is essential of every business. If you find a keyword, research your content planning, this software is perfect for you. So guys, I will highly recommend that you can buy this software. You can find this software in my description box. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe if you don't miss my future video. Also, if you have any question, don't forget to ask in the comment box. Also, don't forget to like and bell the notification button. So bye guys.